Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna discuss about TOPN function in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, I did not write any code, so we'll start from the scratch. So for that, I want to create a new table, so that's why I'm going to the data tab. Here I'm trying to create a new table. Just click on here. So now I'm in the table name is TOPN products. So here, as for my requirement is I want to find the top 5 products based on the descending order. Okay, I want to find top 5 product names in descending order. Okay, let me write the code. TOPN, I am using the TOPN function. Here we need to pass different parameters like what is the n value, what is the table, what is the order of expression, on which order, whether you want ascending order or descending order. So let me write the code. So here I'm in the file and table is product name. So product name. So order of expression is based on the sales amount. I want to find the so top 5 products and descending order. Okay, so let me enter the code. Now let me check it. Now it is giving the top 5 products. Now I'll try to verify that whether it's giving correctly or not. So go to the report canvas. Let me take the table. So try to drag the product name, and so drag the sales amount. So try to do some formatting. So I'm just doing little formatting so that we can see clearly. So border and grid, let me increase the font size so that we can see clearly. So yeah, so I'm trying to descending the product names. Okay, so these are the top 5 products. Okay, so black 52, 48, 44, 52. So we'll try to see that same thing by taking the snipping tool. We can understand whether it's giving correctly or not. So I'm trying to take the snipping tool. So go to the report canvas. So try to minimize it so we can compare. So whether it's giving 52, so 44, 48, 58 and silver 38. So it means it's giving the top 5 products in descending order. It's giving correctly only. Okay, same thing we'll try to find. So by ascending order we'll try to find the top 5 products. Okay, for that again I am trying to create a one more table. So just click a new table. So top n products underscore 1 top n. So I'm giving the file. So table is here, product name. So which order? So based on the sales amount, and here I'm trying to find the, so by ascending order I want to find the top 5 products. Let me enter the code. So this is the output. See, I'm asking top 5 products in ascending order, but it's giving more than around 374 records. Why? What's going wrong? So basically, as for my understand, what are the products we are getting as output? These products doesn't have any sales. Okay, that is the reason it's giving the all the products which are doesn't have any sales, it's giving as output. So for that we need to restrict. It's like a writing the condition. So I want to filter only the products which are having sales. So if the product doesn't have any sales, we are not supposed to include in this condition. So for that again I'll try to write one more table. So go to the new table. top n products underscore 2 here top n, so 5, so filter, so values product name. I just want to all the products which are having sales. If the product doesn't have any sales, I am just ignoring it. Okay, by including not is blank sales amount. Okay, so sales amount ascending order. Okay, let me enter. So this time we'll try to understand. Yeah, this time it's giving the top 5 products in ascending order. So earlier case we are finding the descending order, but this time we are finding the ascending order. Okay, so this is creating the table. So how to write same thing in measure? Okay, so if I want to find top 5 products or top 10 products, so dynamically how to write in the measure, we'll try to see that is also. So I'm going to the report canvas, so go to the measures. So let me rename one thing. Okay, top products descending order. Okay, so top, so basically top and function returning the table. So for that I am trying to create a calculate function. Within the filter I am taking the top end function. Let me write that calculate sales amount top n 5, so values table name product name I am taking as a table name, order by expression sales amount and descending order. Okay, now this one will give the top 5 product sales amount. Okay, let me, so we'll try to see that whether it's giving correctly or not. So top 5 products, so take the card visual, so it's giving 893k. So this is top 5 product sales amount. Okay, and the same thing we'll try to find the top 5 products in the ascending order. Okay, so let me write the code for that also. So top products in ascending order, calculate sales amount, so top n, here I'm giving the 5. Again I'm taking the filter because I just want to filter what are the products having sales. Only I'm considering those products. If the product doesn't have any sales, I'm just ignoring it. Okay, values product name, so not is blank, not is blank, sales amount and ascending order. Okay, so it's working on it. Once this step completed, we'll drag the measure into the report canvas and we'll try to verify the same data. So descending order, so this amount is top 5 products in ascending order and this is top 5 products in descending order, this is ascending order. Okay, so same thing we can make it dynamic also. Okay, whatever it is, this is the static because I'm specifying in the hard coding value, it's not a dynamic. So now what I'm going to do, based on the user selection, I want to find top 3, 5, 10, something like that. So how to make it more dynamic? So for that I have top product table. So here we can see that so ranking table. Yeah, I'm going to the data tab. Here we can see that ranking table. So basically you can see the two columns, one is top value and top number. Here we can see top 3, 5, 7, 10. Based on the user selection, we'll try to display the whether you want to see the top 3 sales or 5, 7, 10. So how to make it dynamic, we'll try to see that is also. So I'm creating one more measure, top, so underscore dynamic make underscore 1. So what are the selection we are done from the slicer I want to capture into the variable. Okay, so for that I'm creating the variable, so rank number, So here I am using the selected value. So ranking value, ranking, so top value, I think ranking number, so variable, so top sales, calculate sales amount, so top n. So instead of giving the hard coding value, I'm giving the variable value, ranking number, so values, product name, so order by expression, sales amount, and in descending order. Okay, so finally I'm returning the variable, return so top sales. Okay, let me enter the code. So before drag the measuring, first of all let me take the slicer. So top, what is top value? Okay, top value, let me drag this into the report canvas, slicer. Okay, so based on the selection we want to display the dynamically. So what is, where it is top, yeah, take the card visual. Why it is giving blank? Because I am not doing any selection. Okay, so here in the slicer I am not doing any selection, so that is giving the blank value. So basically if you notice here in the selected value function, so there is a one more parameter, that is the alternate result. If you did not select any kind of option, so by default it will return the alternate result. So basically alternate result by default blank, so that is the reason we are getting the blank. So here what I'm giving, min, so top number. Okay, so top ranking top number. So it means that even if I am not selecting any slicer value, by default whatever the ranking minimum value it will give. So we'll try to see that is also. So here by default top 3 products in descending order, so 3. For example, even if I select 3 means same value only it will come. So 5 means 5, 7 means 7, 10 means 10. So it's giving dynamically. Okay, same thing we'll try to find in ascending order also. So top dynamic 2 variables, ranking number, selected value, so ranking top number, min of top number, ranking. Again I'm taking the top result variables here, because actual code I'm writing here, calculate sales amount, top n. So instead of hard coding value I'm passing the variable value, ranking number, so filter, because here in ascending order I'm trying to take the products which are having sales only. If the product doesn't have any sales, I'm trying to ignore it. So for that I'm just using the filter, product name not is blank, sorry it's giving error I think, so let me correct it. So not is blank, sales amount, sales order by expression, sales amount, ascending order. So let me return the variable top result, yes. Okay, so this is ascending order, LE1 created in descending order. Okay, let me drag this into the report canvas, take the card visual. See, this is the top 3 in ascending order, this is the descending order. Okay, I'll try to change the values in the slicer, top 5, top 7, top 10. So likewise we can create the top sales by using the TOPN function, as well as dynamically we can fetch by using the selected value function also. So I hope you like this video. So if you are looking for any online DAX course, we can send me an email or a SQL Server MSBA. So thank you for watching. Thank you guys.